Most freelancers waste money on the wrong thing before they even land a job. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Upwork in 2026, connects are not just credits. They are your access pass to opportunities. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is buying connects without understanding how proposals actually turn into paid work. In this video, you will learn whether Upwork connects are worth buying in 2026, how they work, and when they actually help you earn money. Let's start with the basics. Upwork connects are virtual tokens used to apply for jobs. Every time a freelancer like Alex sends a proposal, they spend connects. Without them, you cannot apply for most jobs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Upwork is not designed for random applications anymore. It is designed to reward focused, high-quality proposals. But here's the problem most beginners face. They burn connects on low-quality jobs, spam applications, and never get replies. Then they assume the system is unfair. So let's break it down properly. First, understand what connects really represent. They are not just currency. They are a filter. Upwork uses them to reduce spam and force freelancers to apply more strategically. Second, let's talk about cost versus value. In 2026, connects are relatively cheap individually, but expensive when wasted. A freelancer like Jake, who applies blindly, can spend dozens of connects with zero return. Third, the real question is not, are connects worth buying? The real question is, are you using them correctly? In a minute, here's the shift most freelancers miss. Successful freelancers do not use more connects. They use better proposals. Fourth, connect efficiency matters. If you apply to 20 random jobs and get no response, you lose money. If you apply to 5 highly targeted jobs and get 1 client, you win. Fifth, job selection is everything. Beginners often waste connects on highly competitive jobs with hundreds of proposals. Instead, focus on smaller jobs, newer postings, and clear client instructions. A freelancer like John who targets smartly gets far better results. Sixth, timing also matters. Applying early increases your chance of being seen. Late proposals often get ignored. So are connects worth buying in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat them like an investment, not a lottery ticket. If you use them randomly, they are wasted money. If you use them strategically, they become your path to consistent income. To summarize, connects are worth it when you apply smartly, choose the right jobs, and focus on quality over quantity. They are not the problem. The strategy is. If this helped you understand how connects really work, like the video, comment your freelancing niche, and subscribe for more practical Upwork guides that help you actually get clients.